everyone, today we are here at Westgate Smoky Mountain Resorts in Gatlinburg. We're gonna stay here for the next week and we're gonna go check out the room and see what it's all about. So let's get started, shall we? We have rooms 32A and 32B in building 58.
Come on in.
First things first, when you get inside the hallway, you have a giant looking closet thing. And if you open it up, you have a very nice sized washing machine and a dryer. Nice, nice. First room we're gonna check out is 32B. Let's go inside. Ding a ding dong.
Come on in.
Go inside. This is a nice room. Got a mirror, a bed, and you go inside further. You have the mini kitchen. It comes with a dishwasher and a fridge, a mini fridge, a double burner, microwave, sink, and a coffee pot, toaster. You got your table and chairs right there. You got your cute little living room area, and then you got your twin bed. And then that couch also pulls out into a sleeper sofa. You got your desk and your TV. Coming over here, you have the closet space. And they give you hangers and extra sheets and a pillow with some cleaning supplies. Coming into the bathroom, you have a lovely mirror and you have a sink. Toilet is nice, and then you have this gorgeous shower. Yeah, it's a beautiful shower. And there's the room 32B. We are gonna check out room 32A and see what this is all about. We're gonna ring the ding dong and let's go inside. Oh look, a door opened for me. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by the dining room area with 6 chairs and a lovely table. And you have the kitchen on your left, which is stocked with everything you need for the week of your stay. And a beautiful looking fridge. Let's take a look inside. A lot of fridge space. You open up the freezer and it comes equipped with an ice maker and plenty of room for ice cream and all kinds of things. You come over from the refrigerator and you can see a toaster and a blender they provide. And we're gonna open this cabinet right here. Oh, that's cool. Cabinet open. It looks like a pitcher off on the right. Shut that. Open this cabinet and you have a measuring cup and a lid for a glass pot. You have a microwave, which we don't use, but it's nice looking. You open up these cabinets and you have plates and bowls. Cool. And these ones are full of wine glasses, coffee mugs, and regular glasses. You have a coffee pot, paper towel holder, a nice dishwasher. We can open that up and look inside real quick. Nice. And you have a sink. Pretty cool. And underneath you have a dish rack, a Some more paper towel. In the drawers, you have your silverware, cutting board and knives, spatula, and other utensils like a can opener. Some more things and placemats. Moving on to the living room, you have the nice couches, side table, coffee table, and the rug is really pretty. I like the rug. You have a fireplace and a TV. Let's check out the fireplace real fast. Turn the knob, and poof, you have fire. Beautiful living room setup, in my opinion. You have the master bedroom. The bed's nicely made with the 2 nightstands. You have a ceiling fan, which is nice. And if you swivel around to the right, yet another TV, a dresser, and a chair, which is real pretty. Let's look at this picture. Beautiful decorations for the room. The bear picture is really cute. Going into the bathroom, beautiful bathroom. You have your toilet. You have a double sink and mirror combination next to the amazing shower in the room. And then you have some cabinet space. The shower is beautiful and so roomy. Probably have like 10 people up in here. The balcony is real pretty too. Nice and spacious. And it connects the living room with the master bedroom. So it's a really big, huge porch. Beautiful, actually. Lovely. The view isn't my favorite. Parking lot, building, but you do see some mountains in the background.